So now we're going to do a deboxing video. We haven't done one of those in quite a while. I hope this finds everybody safe and happy. So today we're going to talk about Pink Champagne, Aurelia Gray, and Victoire gift set. Now this gift set is that Victoire, her fiance, popped the question unexpectedly, and so she retained the services of her best friend Aurelia Gray to design her cocktail ensemble. And it's this wonderful frothy looking pink sequined embroidered trapeze dress, and it came with the gloves, the veil with the satin bow. It has the pearl studs for her earrings and the matching necklace, and opera length gloves, satin pumps, and it came with 2 glasses of champagne and a bottle of pink champagne. So that's what rounds out Victoire's ensemble. What we have here still in the box is Aurelia Gray. So I bought this set already knowing that I'm not a big fan of the 2.0 Victoire, so I wanted the clothing though, so that's why I purchased the set. Gray out of the box. We're going to debox her. And she comes with her certificate of authenticity. So the pink champagne, it was an edition of 500 worldwide, and I have number 364. Aurelia is wearing a cream satin cocktail dress that has a gold sequin, micro sequin top to it, and it's edged in gold satin. She comes in a light honey skin tone, and she has raven hair, and it's quite beautiful, very thick. It has a lot of holding product in it. I mean, when I tell you this is a hard curl, this is a hard curl. And she is wearing this cream satin cocktail dress that has gold micro sequins at the top, edged in gold satin with a little bow detail here. Her lips are red. Her fingernails and toes have been painted red. She's a quite striking doll. Let's see if I can get this top button on the back to button up. And this is what the back of the dress looks like here. Very simple, very stately and elegant for that time period. And then I'm going to set up her accessories, and I'll get you a close-up look for those. So here's some close-ups of Aurelia's accessory. So close-up of Aurelia's accessory. So she has this white fur stole with a gold satin bow there. And then we have her shoes, and these are some gold tone. And then she has the painted glove hands, and they're painted cream. And then we have her jewelry set, which is pearl studs and a pearl necklace, and her glass of champagne. So that completes her ensemble. And let's just do a pan of Miss Aurelia herself. weird look there. Almost. She's pretty though. Red lips. And those are the micro sequins, and they're all gold. And the gold satin edging to the dress with the bow. And it's cream colored satin. The material is just beautiful. And red toes. And her nails are painted red as well. So here she is. It's her accessories. On her and her accessories, so we can see her all dolled up and ready for her event. So I'm going to switch out her hands first. Put her glove hands on. Here we go. And the good thing about these East 59th Street dolls, their bodies, I just love them because their bodies, the foot size, they can wear all of the original fashion royalty shoes from the very first years. Even some of the tall bodies from those first years have the smaller foot. So that means that if you use these bodies to switch out your older dolls, and I do that all the time, particularly the Caucasian versions, I use their bodies to switch out Sheer Goddess, Shanghai and Bloom, Social Call, Veronique, all of those fashion royalty white bodies from back in that era. They match that body perfectly, and those bodies can wear those clothes as well. So that's why I like the East 59th Street body. I am eventually going to wet this hair and loosen up this curl just to relax it a little bit, but we'll go ahead and get her earrings in and her necklace on. And I just broke her earring. I may not put her necklace on her because she already has enough going on with these sequins, so I think the pearls are a little overkill. Let me see if I can fix this earring real quick. So that's a no on that particular earring. Let's see if we have better luck with this one. And both of the earrings broke. So these pearl studs, the pearl part was not glued onto the stem very well because they just popped right out. So we won't do anything with that right now. I know I have pearl studs laying around here, and I think I'll just go into my jewelry case and find her some. So as you guys know, you've been watching me for a while, I keep all of my jewelry in this vintage American Tourister case that my aunt gave me a very long time ago. And I use these little aluminum cases with these little compartments to keep my favorite shoes and jewelry for my dolls. Keep them sorted out, kind of organized. So let's see what we can find. And if we can't find pearls, then we find something else to put on her. I have nothing else to do today but to find her some jewelry. So we'll get that done. Alright, I found some. We have some pearl drops here. We'll try those. Yeah, I like the drops better than the studs because they work with her hair. So, but I will still repair those because you never know when you're going to need a pair of stud earrings or something for one of your dolls. And A lot of my dolls don't wear pearls, but that doesn't mean I can't paint the pearl to be whatever color I want with some little acrylic paint or maybe some nail polish on hand. So a pair of earrings is a pair of earrings. Alright, yeah, I like these drop earrings better on her. Let's see. I don't think I want to put that pearl necklace on her. That's just a little bit much for me. Let's get her on a stand. And we have Miss Aurelia Gray, and she's holding her glass of champagne for the toast at Miss Victoire's wedding. Her best friend. And here she is. So that completes the pink champagne, Victoire Roux, and Aurelia Gray gift set. As I said, I didn't keep Victoire. I sold her off, and I just wanted her accessories and her fashion to keep for Miss Aurelia and for the other ladies who lunch collection within my collection. So that presents this take and this deboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I would appreciate it very much if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs up because it helps my channel. If you have any questions at all, whether it's regarding this particular doll or any of the other videos, never hesitate to drop me a line, and we'll see you back in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.